Hello, all my JavaScript friends. This is TheVirtuoid, aka Mike Smith, and this is our sneak peek at the snake game. A little further on, I've got prizes working now. And so basically the idea here is I got three different prizes. Prize number one is an apple. That's the red square that you saw at the very beginning. Prize number two is a banana. That's the yellow square that you're seeing right now. Yep, and there's a apple that has occurred. And prize number three is a bomb. Did you see that little black square that appeared? Each one has, as of right now, a 33% chance of occurring, either the apple, the banana, or a bomb. But since I've got to have an apple and a banana at all times, one or the other, only one can appear on the screen. If it does randomize a bomb, then it will continue to randomize until it gets at least an apple or a banana. That means sometimes you could have 3 or 4 different bombs suddenly appear upon the screen before you finally get the apple or the banana, which makes the game just a little bit more interesting. So see, right there is a good example of where a bunch of bombs suddenly appeared. If you hit the side of the pitch, or if you hit one of the bombs, the game is over. So we're just going to see how far we can actually get with this game. See what my score is going to be if I don't mess up here. I'm using, this is obviously the HTML version, and I am using the WASD keys for control. We're up to a length of 25 now, and the bombs are starting to really appear. So the idea behind the bombs is just to make it a little bit more difficult. You know, add a little bit of extra oomph to the game. And here we go, we're getting ready to get it up to a length of 35. We're now at 35. Starting to get a little tougher. Uh-oh. Dang it. Oh, good. Whew. Thought I messed it up at that point. Length of 45. Length of 46. Starting to get kind of long now. One of the problems I have is I get my fingers all mixed up. Length of 47. Length of 48. Length of 49. And we've hit 50. Oh, man, I got my fingers all mixed up at that point. So that's what happens when you hit a bomb. It hits a bomb. So as you can tell, it's working really nicely. I got a score of 135 with the length of 50. Game over, collided with a bomb. That stops the whole process here. So it's looking really good. I can't wait to show you how the inputs work and the UIs work. Those videos will be hopefully coming out probably in a week or two, something like that. I'm not sure. But anyway, hey, thanks for sticking around. We'll catch you later.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to view more videos. Click on the like button on this video and visit us at virtuoid.com. Also, support us on Patreon, where you can get access to member-only videos. Links are down below. Again, thank you very much for watching, and keep on coding.